never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Rah, rah, rah. Right now, we're talking about the nitty and the gritty.
That's right. We're gonna get straight into the nigger news. So the first nigger news we have is this one mother sucker from the refugees team. He has the legs for a runner. He has the arms for a runner. This is what I'm talking about. This is what they need in the Olympics. Let's see him run right
Rio
now.
were not particularly good, so now we'll see if the experience of having
Nigga John is
oh
very
wow, and
impressive.
that's Chin Shake. That's Chin Shake from the refugee Olympics.
This Mother Shoka is so black. He is not allowed to come into Africa ever again.
We
Mother
ban you.
Shoka. We ban.
For the next nigger news, we have a man who is flying 3,000 feet in the air. I'm not joking around. He saw Iron Man one time and this mother sucker said, I am Iron Man.
This nigga knows not hovering.
Exactly.
This nigga is flying.
And Jeff Bezos, you are a disgrace. With all that money in the world, and you cannot beat a man who came out of his shack somewhere. They don't even know who this mother sucker is. They call him the Jetpack Daredevil. The Jetpack Daredevil. What do they call Jeff Bezos?
The nigga of the day. Nigga news concludes this topic with the nigga of the day.
We brought in our buddy Nigga John just for confirmation.
Nigga John is very impressed, but Nigga John is not impressed with Jeff Bezos.
Wow.
Rah, rah,
And for
rah.
our last and final nigga news topic, we want to mention Michael Blackson. Now this nigga news mother sucker right here, we love you. We love Michael Blackson. He was in the Meet the Blacks. He is black, African, everything. But we do want to say, sometimes you get too African for us.
Nigga news is so black he absorbs the light. He
See,
does- nigga, you need
we
to
don't
chill.
even see you in
And
the
nigga-
light. You need some sun cream.
That's right, nigga, you need to chill out. Right now we were seeing you in a video. Nigga, use a spoon. Michael Blackson, we are coming for your job, nigga. In Ghana. Nigga
That's right.
news.
And for your wife,
24/7.
Jamni Sur.
Alekum. I have no idea how it goes. But nigga news. These was the nigga news for today.
Rah.